Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 18 that I have used in my blanket cal, and this color is vintage peach. Color code is 1836. This is the pattern I made with this special DK yarn from Magic Needles. This is Y stitch that I have made. This is the 18th pattern, which is made as Y stitches in the blanket. It requires multiples of 3 plus 1 stitches or multiples of 3 plus 2 chains. I have 34 in my sample workpiece. In the blanket you will have 302, that has to be adjusted. To begin with, you begin normally. Instead of placing standing double crochet here, I'm going to work with my trebles in the row. So I'm going to place my standing treble. To make that, pull up the loop to the height of a treble, twist it twice and hold it. It's little tricky to hold them together. Doesn't matter, you just hold it. Insert your hook into the very first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and behind the twisted loop. Now you will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and behind this loop, and again you will have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So your standing treble is made. Instead you can make 4 chains and begin. It won't make a difference. 4 chain counts for treble. Then skip 2, make a treble in the next, chain 1, make a double crochet in the middle of the treble here. So the first Y stitch is made. Now again yarn over twice, skip 2, make a treble in the next stitch, chain 1, yarn over and make a double crochet in the middle of the treble that you have made now. So your second Y is made. So the pattern repeat is skip 2 Y stitch, skip 2 Y stitch. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at this particular point. I'll make one more and show you. Yarn over twice, skip 2, complete the treble, chain 1 and make a double crochet in the middle of the treble. So make one Y stitch by skipping 2 stitches. I'll meet you at the end here. I've come to the end here. Here I am ideally left with 3 stitches, so I skip the last 2 and place my treble in the very last stitch here. But in the blanket you will be left with 1 extra stitch at the end. Just simply make a treble and don't count in the pattern. Start the pattern from the next stitch onwards. So at the end of the row you will have 1 extra stitch. So now turn your work. Place a standing treble in the very last edge stitch here, that is the very first beginning of the next row. Sorry. Holding it. And place Y stitch in every chain 1 space of the Y stitches of the previous row. This is a very simple pattern, 1 row repeat. So make the treble, first treble here, chain 1 and double crochet in the middle of the treble that you have made last. Again Y stitch in next chain 1 space, chain 1, DC in the middle of the treble here. Then Y stitch in the next chain 1 space, so make one Y stitch in each of the chain 1 spaces of the previous row Y stitches. This is the pattern repeat. I shall meet you at the end here. Complete your Y stitches in the chain 1 spaces. I shall get back to you when I reach here. I have come to the end of the row here. Now I am simply going to place one treble crochet in the last treble crochet made. So this is how the pattern looks. For the blanket I stopped with 2 rows. Next row is going to be your DC row. So you start with a DC on the very first stitch, then one DC between the Y and the treble, then one DC in the DC here, one DC in chain space, one DC in the treble that is made. So each of them will have 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each will have 3 DCs, that is 30 for my pattern. 31, 32, and in between them you can make 1 DC, that completes 34. So I started with 34 DCs, I end up with 34 DCs. Similarly, you will have to work 302 DCs for your blanket and complete the DC row. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. I'll post the picture in the video. The pattern instructions will be found in the description box below. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload videos. Have a great day friends. Bye.